Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. Today, the electric vehicle market is on the rise, and manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of innovation to stay ahead of the game. One brand that's been making waves is BYD, and their latest model, the Sealion 7, is rumored to be a game changer. But what makes it so special? In this video, we'll dive into the world of electric cars and explore how the BYD Sealion 7 is taking the industry to new heights. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Sealion 7 is poised to revolutionize the way we think about electric vehicles. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of this car's features, let's set the stage and talk about why the Sealion 7 is such a big deal. The electric vehicle market is one of the fastest-growing segments in the automotive industry, with more and more consumers opting for eco-friendly options. And BYD is one of the pioneers in this space, with a decade of experience in electric vehicle manufacturing. As we explore the Sealion 7, you'll start to notice that this car is more than just a fancy new model. It's a statement of intent from BYD. They're not just trying to sell cars, they're trying to change the way we think about transportation. And with the Sealion 7, they're making a bold claim that electric cars can be just as desirable as their gas-guzzling counterparts. But before we get into the good stuff, let's talk about the challenges that electric vehicles still face. One of the biggest hurdles is range anxiety, the fear that you'll run out of juice before you reach your destination. And then there's the issue of charging infrastructure, which is still a work in progress. Not to mention the competition from established brands who are fighting back against the electric revolution. Range anxiety is a major concern for many potential electric vehicle buyers. Will I be able to make it to my destination without running out of charge? Will I be stuck on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck? These are legitimate concerns, and they're a major barrier to adoption. But what if I told you that the Sealion 7 has a solution to this problem? Charging infrastructure is another major hurdle. We've all seen the headlines about cities investing in massive charging networks, but the reality is that it's still a work in progress. And until charging points are as ubiquitous as gas stations, electric vehicles will always be at a disadvantage. But BYD is working to change that with a new generation of fast charging technology that's designed to get you back on the road in no time. And then there's the competition. Established brands like Tesla, Volkswagen, and Nissan are all vying for supremacy in the electric vehicle market. So how does the Sealion 7 stand out from the crowd? What makes it different from the competition? One of the biggest challenges facing electric vehicle manufacturers is battery technology. How do you make batteries that are affordable, efficient, and reliable? It's a problem that scientists have been working on for decades, and BYD has made some major breakthroughs. Their new battery technology is designed to be more efficient, more reliable, and more affordable than ever before. But battery technology is just the beginning. The Sealion 7 also boasts some impressive design credentials, with a sleek, aerodynamic body that's designed to cut through the air like a hot knife through butter. And under the hood, you'll find a powerful electric motor that's capable of delivering blistering acceleration and impressive handling. And then there's the smart technology integration. The Sealion 7 is designed to be a connected car with advanced features like autonomous driving, voice control, and real-time traffic updates. It's like having a personal assistant built into your car, and it makes the driving experience more enjoyable and more convenient. But the standout feature of the Sealion 7 is its advanced battery management system. This cutting-edge technology allows the car to optimize its battery performance in real time, giving you more range and more reliability. It's a game changer for electric vehicles, and it's something that sets the Sealion 7 apart from the competition. So what does it mean for the future of electric vehicles? The Sealion 7 is more than just a car. It's a statement of intent from BYD. They're showing the world that electric vehicles can be desirable, affordable, and reliable. And with this car, they're taking the industry to the next level. So what do you think? Is the BYD Sealion 7 the future of electric cars? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.